Top Best 4 Days Itinerary for Chefchaouen. Welcome to Chefchaouen, Morocco's Blue Pearl, nestled in the Rif Mountains. In this video, we will take you on an enchanting 4-day journey through the captivating streets and hidden gems of Chefchaouen. Join us as we explore the vibrant blue hues, immerse ourselves in the local culture, and uncover the city's unique charm. Day 1. We begin our adventure by exploring the heart of Chefchaouen, the Blue Medina. Start your day by wandering through the narrow, winding streets adorned with striking blue-washed buildings. Capture the picturesque scenes and immerse yourself in the serene atmosphere. Visit the el-Hammam Square, the vibrant heart of the Medina. Indulge in traditional Moroccan cuisine at one of the local restaurants, savoring flavorful tagines and refreshing mint tea. After lunch, visit the Grand Mosque, an architectural gem with a towering minaret that offers stunning panoramic views of the city. In the afternoon, explore the Kasbah Museum, housed in the 15th century fortress. Admire the art and artifacts that showcase the region's history and culture. Take a leisurely stroll through the beautiful gardens surrounding the Kasbah, finding tranquility amidst the bustling Medina. Day 2. Today, immerse yourself in Chefchaouen's natural beauty and embark on a scenic hike. Start your day by visiting the Ras El Mar waterfall, a picturesque cascade surrounded by lush greenery. Enjoy the refreshing mist and take in the serene ambience. Next, venture to the nearby Tagines National Park, a haven for nature lovers. Explore the hiking trails that wind through the mountains, leading to breathtaking viewpoints. Capture stunning photos of the sweeping landscapes and immerse yourself in the tranquility of nature. For lunch, enjoy a picnic surrounded by the scenic beauty of the park. Or visit a local cafe to taste traditional Moroccan delicacies. In the afternoon, head to the Bridge of God, Pont de Dieu, a natural rock formation with stunning views of the surrounding valley. Day 3. Today, dive deeper into the local culture and artisanal traditions of Chefchaouen. Start your day by visiting the Flower Street, the most Instagrammable place in Chefchaouen. Next, explore the city's vibrant souks, where you'll find a variety of handmade crafts, including textiles, pottery, and local artwork. Take the opportunity to engage with local artisans, observe their craftsmanship, and even purchase unique souvenirs to bring back home. For lunch, try the local specialty of goat cheese and honey, a delicious combination of flavors that represents the region's culinary traditions. In the afternoon, visit the terrace of Kasbah Museum. It's looking right towards the center of Medina, offering a 360 degrees view of the city. Enjoy the lively atmosphere, interact with locals, and perhaps join a friendly game of chess played by enthusiasts in the square. Day 4. On your final day, savor panoramic views of Chefchaouen from the mountaintop. Start your day by hiking to the Spanish Mosque, perched on a hill overlooking the city. Marvel at the sweeping vistas of the blue-washed Medina and the surrounding countryside. After descending from the mosque, take a leisurely stroll through the picturesque streets of Chefchaouen one last time. Capture final memories of the charming blue alleyways and bid farewell to the city's unique ambience. Chefchaouen is a hidden gem with its mesmerizing blue Medina, natural beauty, and rich cultural heritage. This 4-day itinerary allowed us to immerse ourselves in the city's enchanting atmosphere, discover its hidden corners, and connect with its warm-hearted locals. We hope you enjoyed this journey and that it inspires you to experience the magic of Chefchaouen for yourself. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.